The internet's a crazy place. It's a vast, interconnected world where everyone is constantly sharing and receiving information. It's the Wild West out there. Just like in the old days, there are dangers lurking around every corner. Hackers, trackers, your internet provider. They're all trying to get a peek at your digital life. They want to know what you're doing, where you're going, and who you're talking to. That's where VPNs come in. They act as a shield, protecting your personal information from prying eyes. Think of them as your trusty sheriff, protecting you from the bad guys. Just like a sheriff keeps the peace in a town, a VPN keeps your online activities safe. VPNs encrypt your internet traffic, making it unreadable gibberish to anyone snooping around. This encryption is like a secret code that only you and the websites you visit can understand. They also mask your IP address, which is like your online home address. By hiding it, VPNs make it much harder for anyone to pinpoint your exact location. This makes it much harder for anyone to track your online activity or steal your data. It's like having a secret hideout that no one can find. But not all VPNs are created equal. Some are slow, some are unreliable, and some don't offer the level of security you need in this digital Wild West. In fact, some VPNs can even put you at more risk if they're not properly configured or if they log your data. It's crucial to choose wisely. That's why you need a VPN you can trust, one that's always one step ahead of the outlaws. You need ExpressVPN. With its top-notch security features and reliable performance, you can browse the internet with peace of mind. Now, most VPNs give you one IP address for your entire session. It's like wearing the same disguise all the time. Eventually, someone might recognize you, right? That's where things get a little tricky. See, even with a VPN, your online activity can still be linked back to you if someone's really determined. They might not know your name, but they can see everything you're doing. Creepy, right? And that's where ExpressVPN's new dynamic IP rotation feature blows the competition out of the water. It's like having a whole wardrobe of disguises so you can stay one step ahead of the bad guys. ExpressVPN just raised the bar in online privacy and security. They've got this new thing called dynamic IP rotation, and it's a game changer. Sounds fancy, right? Well, it is. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a powerful tool. Basically, it changes your IP address for every website you visit, every single one. This means that each time you click on a new link, your digital footprint is completely refreshed. Imagine this, you're browsing online, checking the news, buying some new boots, and then catching up on your favorite conspiracy theory videos. Don't worry, we all have them. Each of these activities gets a unique IP address. With ExpressVPN's dynamic IP rotation, you're getting a new IP address for each of those activities. This makes it incredibly difficult for anyone to track your online behavior. It's like you're constantly switching hats, making it nearly impossible for anyone to track your movements or build a profile on you. It's the ultimate disguise for your online identity. Now that's what I call real privacy. With ExpressVPN, you can browse with confidence, knowing your data is protected and your identity is secure. Section 4. How it works. Spinning the cyber revolver. Now you might be thinking, this all sounds complicated, and honestly, who could blame you? The idea of constantly changing IP addresses and keeping your online activity secure can seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's not. It's actually quite simple once you get the hang of it. ExpressVPN did all the hard work so you don't have to. They've streamlined the process to make it user-friendly and efficient. They've got these super smart algorithms that automatically switch your IP address at regular intervals, or even every time you connect to a new website. And the best part, you have control. You can decide how often you want your IP address to change. You can customize the rotation settings to fit your needs. Whether you want it to change every few minutes or just once a day, the choice is yours. Want a new IP address every hour? Done. It's as easy as setting a timer. Want a new one every time you open a new tab? Easy peasy. Just a few clicks and you're all set. This ain't your grandpappy's VPN. It's a modern solution for modern problems. This is next level stuff, folks. Welcome to the future of online security and privacy. Section 5. The payoff: you're basically invisible and safe now. So, what does this all mean for you? Simple, unparalleled online privacy and security. With ExpressVPN's dynamic IP rotation, you can avoid tracking. Say goodbye to those creepy targeted ads that follow you around the internet, access blocked content, traveling to a country that blocks your favorite streaming service? Not a problem. Protect your identity, keep your personal information safe from hackers and other bad actors. It's like having a digital shield that protects you from all the dangers of the internet. And who doesn't want that? ExpressVPN, still top dog in the digital Wild West. Look, the internet's a dangerous place, but with ExpressVPN's new dynamic IP rotation, you can browse with confidence knowing that your privacy and security are always protected. They're not just keeping up with the bad guys, they're staying one step ahead, so ditch that old VPN and upgrade to ExpressVPN today. Trust me, your digital self will thank you.